Own a Ford Bronco and ready to take your off-road game to the next level. Whether you're climbing into your ride or just want that rugged, custom look, the right running boards can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the best Ford Bronco running boards that combine style, strength, and serious functionality. Let's dive in and find the perfect step up for your Bronco. At number 5, we've got the Rough Country BA2 running boards, a perfect blend of rugged utility and sleek design built specifically for the Ford Bronco. With a wide 5-inch non-slip step surface, these boards make getting in and out of your ride effortless, even on lifted setups. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and coated with a corrosion-resistant powder finish, they're built to handle up to 465 pounds and stand up to the elements. The 73-inch length ensures full side coverage, and thanks to the direct bolt-on design, installation is a breeze. No cutting or drilling required. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, the BA2 adds serious trail-ready attitude to your Bronco while offering rock-solid durability and a clean, factory-fit look. Coming in at number 4, the Binary Star running boards bring smart design and serious durability to your 2021 to 2025 Ford Bronco 4-door. These aren't your average side steps. Their unique 3-step design includes 2 wide 6-inch lower steps for easy entry and exit, plus a raised center step that gives you convenient access to roof cargo. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel with a reinforced triangular 3-tube structure, these boards offer rock-solid support and also act as a shield for your Bronco's rocker panels during off-road adventures. A uniform e-coating and rust-resistant powder finish, along with drainage holes, protect against the elements and ensure long-lasting performance. Designed for a snug, factory-style fit with pre-mounted brackets, installation is quick and easy. No special tools or drilling needed. This is the kind of upgrade that not only makes every ride more practical but also adds an aggressive, functional edge to your Bronco. At number 3, the YZONA running boards are a tough and stylish upgrade for your 2021 to 2025 Ford Bronco 4-door, especially if you're running a lift kit or oversized tires. Featuring a clever 2-tier step design, they make rooftop access effortless while offering wide, stable footing for safe entry and exit. Built from ultra-thick 2mm carbon steel, each side supports up to 550 pounds and is protected by a premium black powder coat that resists rust, corrosion, and wear. The hollow step surface improves grip, drains water efficiently, and even reduces wind resistance while driving. With precision laser-cut details, including a bold star logo, these running boards give your Bronco a solid, aggressive stance. Best of all, installation is fast and easy with perfectly aligned bolt-on brackets. No drilling, no cutting. Just a straightforward 20-minute setup that transforms both function and style. At number 2, the Snailfly running boards offer a clean, factory-style upgrade for your 2021 to 2025 Ford Bronco 4-door, combining durability, style, and unbeatable value. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with a black powder-coated finish and textured ABS surface, these platform-style steps deliver a sturdy, slip-resistant footing every time you climb in or out. They mount directly to your Bronco's original chassis points with no drilling required, making installation quick and hassle-free. The fit is precise, the look is sleek, and the performance holds up whether you're commuting in the city or heading out for a weekend adventure. For those who want quality and function without breaking the bank, Snailfly steps in strong. And topping our list at number 1 are the Broaddict Easy Steps running boards, a smart and stylish solution for Bronco owners who already have OEM rock rails installed, designed to bolt directly onto those existing rails without any drilling or modifications. These steps sit just 2 inches below, offering easier access without compromising ground clearance, ideal for lifted vehicles or family use. Made from tough, wear-resistant steel, they deliver a stable, non-slip surface that holds strong even in rain or mud. What really sets them apart is their bold styling, with color options like red, orange, or white plates that add a custom touch to your Bronco's rugged profile. Easy to install, safe to use, and built to last, Broaddict delivers a premium upgrade that's as functional as it is eye-catching.